đỏ.
À, đi đâu?
Một con tàu chỉ tàu trên lao thế. Yeah. Hi. Doing good.
Good.
So what are you guys here for today? For Liz and Betty?
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. What are we here for today?
This is the Minnesota DFL, the
Okay.
Democratic Party.
Okay.
So if you're interested in signing up for joining us for volunteering or anything, getting registered to vote,
Yep.
we're here to help you out.
Ramsey County and our recycling initiatives.
Okay.
So you can spin a wheel or earn a prize, and we'll ask you a question. And yeah.
Yeah. So people, if you're following this channel, is there any way people can be able to find you guys? Website?
Let's see if we have a QR code somewhere. I'm not sure. Yes, right here.
As well as RamseyRecycles.com. People about the I-94 project,
Oh.
and I'm not sure if people know about it, but and then we're also just letting people know about what we got going on with the
Yep.
the chapel. So yeah, if people are interested, there's a letter that they can sign, because right now they are just simply choosing to study keeping the freeway the way it is and reducing it by one lane, which is the worst of all worlds. So we want to keep studying, maybe using the land differently and maybe putting in more public transportation, getting people around, because everybody uses the freeway and it sucks. So yeah.
So how do people get access to this event?
Hi, so we're with the city of Minneapolis. Thank you, have a good one. We're helping people register to vote and then talking about the upcoming election in November.
So how do people access the information? Is that the MinnesotaVote.gov?
Yep, so this is for Minneapolis only, but then you could do.
Hello.
We're from the Masonic Cancer Center at the University of Minnesota, and we're talking all things cancer awareness, so from prevention all the way through survivorship,
How do we access that information?
right here. And then we also have a monthly newsletter you
Okay.
can sign up for and receive monthly updates on the latest cancer research, the importance of prevention, so screening, options, healthy eating, things like that.
Is there a website where people can be able to go and check it out?
Yeah, cancer.umn.edu.
Hi, we are with Minji Digestive Health. We're here to promote colon cancer screening, so colonoscopy at age 45. This is a little model of your colon. So you can call us and schedule a colonoscopy and prevent colon cancer.
Thank you. Hello. How are you guys doing?
We're doing well.
I'm on the video, so tell me something about what are we doing here?
Yeah, so we're with Be Smart. We educate on the importance of secure firearm storage to prevent misuse. So kids getting into it, gun theft, but also reducing the risk of firearm suicide.
Okay.
So hard to talk about, but very important. Yeah.
What are you guys doing here for?
Yes, today we are a team of online entrepreneurs, and our purpose and our mission today, coming out to the Hmong J4, was to bring awareness and really start to educate our fellow Hmong brothers and sisters to let them know that you can create a legitimate income online. So if you're tired of working your 9 to 5, or maybe you just need to supplement your 9 to 5 income, this is the place. Online is the space to do so, and we all are different business owners, but we work as a team because we're a team.
Great.
So that's our purpose in coming together today and tabling at the Hmong J4.
So how do people access that information? Where can they find that information?
Yeah, sure. We all have our own websites, and we're on Facebook.
Okay.
We're also on other platforms like TikTok, Instagram. But we have it on here. Maybe our link is. We have our QR codes for in person, but the best place to find us is on Facebook. Our names listed on top here is you can just put that into Facebook, or feel free to scan it. But my email is www.elizabethsong.com,
and then my contact is www.pattyzhong.com.
And my contact is www.killoonline.com on my website.